Stinks. Have you ever wondered how beautiful lipstick is made inside giant factories? From colorful pigments to shiny...
Every lipstick begins inside a massive cosmetics factory, where raw ingredients arrive from different places. The main ingredients include wax, natural oils, rich color pigments, and pleasant fragrances.
Experts carefully measure every ingredient to create the perfect lipstick formula.
The ingredients are heated inside giant steel tanks until everything melts into a smooth liquid. Then colorful pigments are added to create beautiful lipstick shades.
Powerful machines blend the mixture until the texture becomes perfectly smooth.
Quality experts test the texture and color before production continues.
The liquid lipstick is poured into special molds that give it the classic lipstick shape. Next, the molds are cooled so the lipstick can become solid and firm.
After cooling, robotic machines remove the finished lipstick carefully from the molds.
The lipsticks are placed inside stylish tubes using high-speed automated machines.
Each lipstick is inspected to ensure perfect quality and appearance.
Beautiful branding and packaging designs are added before shipping. Modern packaging machines prepare thousands of lipsticks every single hour. Finally, the products are packed into cartons and sent to stores around the world.
Dengan ke-irstriku berbeda. Mangak sendi manseed edkonana katsyo pandavada. From bright red to soft pink, every shade is created with precision and care. Cosmetic scientists constantly develop new colors and formulas for modern trends. Today, lipstick has become one of the most popular beauty products in the world.
And this is how lipstick is made inside modern factories, using science, machines, and creativity.
If you enjoyed this amazing factory journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more fascinating manufacturing videos.